am so glad to see you guys again. In this video, it is, I cannot believe, end of August already. So I started, I guess a couple of months ago, I started a kind of like a little series called Instant Love. And each month, things that I discover that month, and I come to instantly love it as I am using it. I kind of make a mental note and, jot things down, put it aside so that I can come up here at the end of the month and talk to you guys about what I found, what I really loved. Some of these you'll see in some other videos as well, so it's not just exclusively coming out just now in this video, but I'm trying to at least gather some of the ones that I really, 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 really love and put it out there for you guys to show. Okay, so just make sure everything is in focus. Yes, it is. Yay. So I'm going to go ahead and start on the first one that I love. I bought this, and I'll put on my little spectacles so I can read you things, just in case. I bought this at, I guess, Walgreens and stuff on a, I guess a, how do you call it, a subscribers recommendation is what I'm trying to spit out. It's been a long day. And it's the Orly, let me turn it this way, the Orly Bonder. I love this, guys. It's rubberized base coat, and it's for normal nail polish. It's not for gel polish. I'm wearing gel polish today, but I have used this base coat underneath my Essie nail polishes, and they have lasted seriously days and days longer than without using the using this Orly Bonder under it. And I couldn't believe the difference in the wear. And one of the reasons that I've always lately have been doing the gel nail polish is because gel lasts, obviously, because it's cured, and nail polish seems to not last on me because of the rigorous typing that I do in the office, the work environment that I have, taking care of 3 pets, a household, everything. My regular nail polish seems to go through hell and back, and then it chips all over the place. And so I've always gotten frustrated with regular nail polish. Now I love the Essie colors. I really love the Essie colors. My second favorites are, of course, the Sally Hansen gel polishes. I love those. They're regular nail polishes, but they call themselves gel polish, but you don't need a UV light. But I shied away from using some of them, and I have a bunch of them because of the longevity. But this has been a game changer, because since I put this on underneath my nail, and then wait for it to dry, and then do my color, two coats of color, and then the top coat associated with that nail polish. So if I'm using the Essie nail polish, I'm using the Essie top coat. If I'm using the Sally Hansen gel polish, then I'm using the Sally Hansen top coat. So I don't like to mix and match brands, because I certainly believe that brand to brand, it has to be in that same group and family, and chemically speaking, they work better together, keeping it in the same brand family. Okay, so definitely has been a first love for me. I put this on. I'll try to put some pictures up here of me wearing the Essie color and using the Orly Bonder if I can find. I know I Instagrammed it for you guys when I did this. I'm trying to remember. I think I did an actual video of the Bonder. I'm not sure. It's been a little bit this month, so I'll have to look back and see if I see something as far as Snapchatting it or anything like that, and I will put it over here for you guys to look at, definitely. So that's my number 1. Number 2, again, you'll see in another video coming up, the gold metallic gold essence video about using gold in your facials. But I got this again this month, and I just found it. I believe I got this at Marshall's. It's in one of my videos, and I absolutely love this. Let me take it off of auto so you guys can see it. It's an essence, and it's got gold in it, 24 karat gold to be exact, and it's got collagen in it. And I've been using this on my face after I cleanse at night, putting it on. I think I'm using it during the day too. I can't remember. I do use it's a little bit sticky, so I kind of shy away from it as far as putting it underneath my foundation. But definitely at night, I have been using it, and it has been absolutely wonderful. I leave it on at night, and you can just tell in the morning my skin is firmer. It's just got a certain something to it. Not a fake glow, like I would say, oh, it's highlighter fake glow. No, this infuses your skin with 24 karat gold particles on a, I don't know, microscopic level, molecular level. I'm not sure how it does it. It's magic to me, a little bit of magic. This bottle's like a little bit of magic. And just love it. Just have loved the results of it. So highly recommend, if you can find this at Marshall's, I believe that I found this. Could be TJ Maxx, but I think it's Marshall's. Maybe it's TJ Maxx. I'm not sure. But one of those areas, and I'll put it down here. I'll remember what it was, and I'll put it down here. So I don't have the box for it, but I'll search the box, and the box will have like the label on it, so I'll figure out where I got it. Okay, moving on. Avocado oil this month. I went into Walmart, got a nice big bottle of avocado oil. I've always used the olive oil in my routine and in my recipes, but now with being on the keto diet, I absolutely love this. It's got no aftertaste to it at all. Olive oil can get a little bit of that aftertaste to it, that, I don't know, certain something, but this legitimately, I can cook with it, make eggs, make anything, with it, and it just really does not have an aftertaste at all, I haven't put it in my coffee. That's the only thing I haven't done with it. I know some people put it in the MCT oil into their coffee to make it like a what is it called, a fat bomb coffee, or no, bulletproof coffee. I haven't done that with the avocado oil. I don't think I'm gonna. MCT oil is heck of an expensive price. I think I saw it at Whole Foods, and it was legitimately in the mid 20s, like $24 or $25 for a little bottle of MCT oil. Whoa, not doing it, not going there. I'll put butter before I'll put the MCT oil into my coffee, because at least butter is cheap, and I still get the fat and whatever. But I know I've heard a lot of good things about the MCT oil. I'm not saying never. I'm just saying right now, a little bit holding off on it. I'm not concerned about getting enough fat into my diet. Honestly, I've been looking at my macros, and they're spot on. I've been doing really great with my fat intake at about 70 to 80% of my daily diet. I know, shocking, but that's what you're supposed to do on the keto diet. So I'm meeting all my macros, so I'm not concerned with it. So, but definitely pick up some avocado oil if you are in the market. And that is Hobson. I don't know why he's barking. Okay, moving on. The other thing that I discovered, because I really like some bread, and it takes an effort to make the keto bread. It just takes a little bit of time, and where I can cut corners, I'm a little bit lazy about that. So I'm going to read you all of this. This is the, let me see, who's this by? It's by Arnold, and it is called Sandwich Thins. It's made with olive oil and sea salt. So right off the bat, very, very good. 100% whole wheat, flax, and fiber rolls. Now these are thin rolls. They're called thin rolls for a reason. I don't know if you can see that through the plastic, but they are legitimately thin. If you look at this, I mean, you get the little top and the little bottom right below it, and you can make sandwiches from it, obviously. And if you look closely, let's see if this brings it in. I don't know if this will bring it in for you guys. I'll read it. Hang on. It's only got 3 grams total sugar. It's got 300 milligrams of sodium, 0.5% gram of saturated fat, and only 150 calories. So if you take down the sugar, now it does have 27 grams of carbs, but it's got 4 carbs of dietary fiber in it, so you minus that down, and it's got total sugars of 3 grams, includes 2 grams of added sugar. If you have it once in a while, if you really, really are craving a good sandwich and you don't want to blow up your keto or paleo for the day, if you're not planning to have anything else as far as carbs are concerned, you can get away with having a sandwich, a thin sandwich for the day. Indulge yourself. Don't beat yourself up about it. And you know, I have used, you know, I think this is my second bag for this month, but I have, and my husband has used some too, and I have not had any ill effects. As far as my diet has not slowed down, I have continued to lose weight on it. I did not feel puffed up or poofy or anything like that. As far as my body is concerned, I can do this. Oh, my necklace is all over the place. I can do this thin sandwich, again, not every day, not, you know, twice a day or anything like that. If I have it once or twice a week and I indulge myself with some you know, deli meats and a nice cheese on the top and a tomato slice or whatever, I can deal with it and have a really good, you know, lunch and you know, go on with my life. It's good. So I, you know, thumbs up for it. Okay, do I have anything else? Oh, yes, my last one. I got to go to the floor to get this one. All right, so I saw this at Five Below, and no, it wasn't Five Below. Shoot, what was it? Route 20, I think it was Route 21. Yes, Route 21 had these. Look at these. These are, and I know they don't, let me see if I can, hang on, if I can do the, pull down the light a little bit. Hang on, guys. There, to see if it sparkles or not. I mean, you're probably not going to see the sparkle through my lights. I can see it sparkling. You can't. But trust me, these are sparkly. They've got like little rhinestones all over the place. And sorry, they're not coming through. But these look legitimately like the very, very expensive Gucci flip-flops that everybody is wearing now, you know, I guess out on the West Coast or whatever. And I believe these flip-flops, the Gucci ones, are probably, you know, upwards of $700-800. Seriously. I got these for legitimately, I think, under $10, maybe like $9.99, and I think it was buy one get one half off. I think I have two. There's probably one more upstairs, I think I saw, but they're not the same. They're not like these specific ones, but these specific ones look just like, you know, the Gucci ones that you see all around going on. And you know, they're not meant to represent Gucci. They're not meant to be legit knockoffs and like to fool people or anything. But if you do want that look, if you want some nice flip-flops for the summer to walk around in a park or whatever, they are so cute and they are so sparkly. And I've gotten comments, a lot of comments back about them being so adorable, you know, while I'm wearing it around town. So just wanted to make mention of that. If you have like a Route 21, I believe I also saw some at Five Below, so you might want to check that store out. I don't know if Forever 21 has them, but definitely Route 21 has them. So definitely check those out. So that's it for today. Those are my picks for the month of August for my instant loves. I love these, and I hope that you enjoy this video. Please give it a big fat thumbs up and share it with your friends, and hope that they, you know, they can find good stuff that I recommend. You know, not being sponsored by anybody here on this video today, so absolutely not being sponsored, and these are just things that I like and I find for you guys and pass on the information. Okay, I love you guys. Subscribe to my video. Keep well, keep hydrated, keep out of the heat. It's still hot here, you know, it's still August, so we still, you know, have a lot of heat, and we have those dreaded late afternoon large thunderstorms. So I don't know what region you guys are in, but in our region we get some of the Gulf moisture coming up, and then boom, boom, boom. There's a lot of fireworks in the sky late in the afternoon. So I love you guys. Be well, be happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.